What's up, YouTube? Welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen.
Oh, okay. All right.
Today we are ruining the video. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today we are making a cinnamon smoked old fashioned. We're smoking cinnamon today, so.
What?
Oh yeah. So you gotta be cool on it. You know what I mean? Like. Oh.
Be careful.
There you go.
Oh.
What are you guys gonna need to make this? First you're gonna need some whiskey or bourbon. All right. We're using 4 roses. That's gonna be good. Thanks, Aunt Michelle. Next, you're gonna need a sweetener. Most people use simple syrup, but we are gonna use a honey simple syrup, which is just half water, half honey. All you gotta do is shake that up. Equal parts, yes. You're gonna need some Angostura bitters, an orange peel, and a cinnamon sticks.
And a cinnamon sticks?
And of course, some fire. Careful though, don't
Stop,
do
don't
not mess
play with
around with
that.
this. That's what I'm selling, like that's what I'm saying to the kids. Yeah, don't mess around with it. See? Probably also a good idea to have a plate and some aluminum foil. Probably, preferably a plate that you don't really care about. I actually kind of care about this one.
You don't have that many.
And we have like a set of 4, so that's what the foil's for. And last, you're gonna need a suave jacket, all right?
A suave jacket?
Yeah, a suave jacket, suave. Little short, but suave. My grandma bought this for me, actually. Thanks, Nana. All right, let's get this drink started. You ready? Ready? All right. First.
Oh, that's my drink, sorry.
All right, first, we're gonna take a piece of our tin foil. Just gonna fold that right in half and put it over our plate to protect it. We're gonna take a fork, some cinnamon, okay? And get forked up tonight. And
that was the stupidest joke ever.
this is where we take our torch. Oh yeah. We're just gonna burn this cinnamon just so we can get some char on there, light it up, and so it'll start smoking. Perfect. Blow that out. All right, let's set that on our plate. And we're gonna take our glass and we're just gonna put that right over the cinnamon. We're gonna let the cinnamon smoke the glass. You're gonna get that flavor in the drink, okay? So we're gonna let that sit for a couple minutes. While we're letting that sit, let's make our drink. All right, make this drink, we're gonna stir this one, okay? You wanna stir an old fashioned. You don't wanna shake it. It gets all frothy when you shake it. We want this to be clear as possible, okay? So first, get a mixing glass. If you don't have a mixing glass, use a regular glass. Use a butter knife. If you don't have a bar spoon, a chopstick, get creative. We're using a bar spoon, okay? All right, take your ice, put it in your mixing glass. We're gonna start off with our bourbon, okay? I'm going 2.5 ounces of bourbon. It's booze heavy. 1, 2, half. Next, I go 3/4 of an ounce of honey simple syrup. 3/4 that shot, boom. We're gonna do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. 1, 2, and we're just gonna take our spoon and stir it up. Perfect. Drink's made, glass is smoked. I'm gonna take that off. We're gonna throw 1 big ice cube, 1 big one, okay? We're just going to pour our drink slowly over the ice. And we're just gonna finish that off with an orange peel, okay? Take your peel, and just squeeze over the drink, get all those oils, rub the rim of the glass inside and out, and drop that in. And that is a cinnamon smoked old fashioned.
Are you doing the crazy look on purpose?
Is that crazy?
Yeah, you have crazy eyes.
Oh. And that
Oh my
is
God,
a cinnamon smoked old fashioned. Cinnamon smoked old fashioned. cinnamon smoked old fashioned. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment, share with a friend. Check out the Instagram page. Eat a Tide Pod. Don't eat a Tide Pod. Or do it.
No, don't do it.
Mm-mm.
Don't do it. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, so if we don't have a blowtorch, what are we gonna, like, what can we substitute it with? A match? Lightsaber.
Yeah, lightsaber would work actually. Yep.
The red one, though.
You mean the double?
Yeah,
the
the
Darth
double.
Maul?
Yeah. You know, there are actual classes for
Pole dancing? Yeah, I know.
No,
I was gonna
not
take one.
not pole dancing. For trained to be like a Jedi, whatever, like with lightsabers.
Get the hell out
I'm
of
not
here.
kidding you. I saw it.